Hi everyone, my name is Saurabh Asif Chaudhary. Today date is 1st November 2021 and today's topic name is array list in Java. So in this video we will be discussing about what is array list and different method used in array list class with details. Let's start. What is array list? Array list class use dynamic array to store the element. It is like an array but we can add or remove the element at any time. Means the size of this array is not fixed. We can change the add or remove the element at the any time. Then there are some point in array list class. Let's discuss this point one by one. First point is in Java array list class maintain insertion order. In Java, ArrayList class contain duplicate element. In Java, ArrayList class is non-synchronized, and in Java, ArrayList class manipulation is little bit slower than linked list class because there is a need to shift the elements. Then let's discuss the methods used in ArrayList class. In ArrayList class, Java provide multiple methods like add method, clear method, get method, set method, trim method, index of method, last index of method, contains method. There are different methods. Let's discuss this method one by one. Let's start with add method. In add method, the syntax of add method is void add in bracket int I. So void is a return type, add is a method name, and int in index is a argument. So by using this add method, we can add the element at the specific index. Next method is add method, but in this add method we can pass the int index and e object. So by using this add method we can add the element at the specified index. Then next method is contain method. The syntax of contain method is boolean contains in bracket e element. So by using this contain method, it method is used to check the specified element in the list. If it is present in the list, then it will return the true, otherwise it will return the false. Then next method is index of method. Index of method will be return the index of the specified element in the list. Then next method is last index of method. So in this method, the syntax of last index of method is void index of in bracket e element. So this by using this last index of method, it will be check the specified element in the list, and the last occurrence of this specified element, it will be return the index of this last occurrence element. So by using this last index of method, we can get the index of the specified element. Then next method is clear method. By using clear method, we can remove all the element in the list. Then next method is get method. By using get method, we can get the element of the specified index. Then next is set method. Set method is used to replace the element of the specified index with specified element. So if we will provide the index is 1 and element is high, so it will be replace the element of the first index with high. Then these all the methods used in the array list. Thank you.